You got to where you are by making wise decisions. You know that the greatest opportunities are found in uncertainty. Introducing Portfolio Select. The perfect time, the perfect place for investors who know that the time is now.
So you've seen the news and you've seen the reports, and you know that our housing market just took the worst hit in recorded history. But what you might not know is how to go about finding a deal.
Or maybe you don't have the time or the energy or the desire to sift through all those many bank home foreclosures and short sale listings to find that one true deal.
Welcome. I'm Kurtis Squires, and this is my partner and wife, Cindy Squires. Together we have bought, fixed, and sold for profit distressed property full-time over the past 13 years.
We've flipped and invested in more than 300 properties all over Southern California, from Los Angeles to San Bernardino, from Palm Springs to Laguna Beach. The good news is that not only do we invest on our own accounts, but now we're accepting a few select private individuals who would like to explode their wealth, hedge against inflation, and seek greater returns on their cash.
We've helped many investors just like you make sure that you get the best deals in the highest growth areas with the most cash flow. Our clientele ranges from first-time investors to investors that have literally built or bought thousands of homes.
Not only can we custom find far below market properties for you, but now as a result of buying and acquiring properties over the last 13 years, we've gotten the best fix-up crews and top-notch property management companies available, and we make them available to you as well.
That's right.
With our Portfolio Select program, now you can create your own geyser of cash flow that blow away historical stock returns. And the best news is, now it's easier to accomplish this than even buying a mutual fund.
Yeah, and for a heck of a lot less commissions and fees as well. Because of our investing volume and reputation, we've been featured on the front page of the LA Times, we've been on Inside Edition, we've been on Fox News several times. We've also been featured in MSN Money, Investors Business Daily, and other household publications. If you've ever considered building a portfolio of income-producing properties in Southern California, there is no one more qualified than Far Below Market. You know, building wealth is as simple as acquiring assets at distressed prices. The world's first billionaire, J. Paul Getty, said to build wealth, simply buy from the fearful and sell to the euphoric. Folks, let me ask you, do you think what we just experienced was a minor bump in the road or a catastrophe? Well, the wealthy and the wealth builders will probably tell you that this is actually opportunity. We may never have another chance like this.
Right now, it's as if the stars have aligned and created the biggest buying opportunity for investors ever, for those who take action for cash flow and appreciation.
So with superior returns that real estate offers, how come more people don't invest in real estate? Well, I think it's actually a very simple answer. I was a financial consultant doing primarily stocks and mutual funds for Merrill Lynch for 7 years. I managed about $30 million, and here's what I can tell you. When buying real estate, if you've ever tried to buy from an agent, you might have experienced less than acceptable results. And there's a reason for that. 99.8% of all the agents out there are good at finding primary residences where people are going to live. And it doesn't mean there's not good agents out there, but what it does mean is that finding a property that fits the emotional and practical needs of a family or a first-time home buyer are completely different than those of an investor. It's a completely different skill set. So it's not easy to find somebody who knows what they're doing in investing. You need to know things like internal rate of return, cash on cash, and it's just not easy to find.
Not only that, but most real estate agents are spending their time doing open houses and searching for listings. We only work with investor buyers. We don't waste our time listing homes.
That's right.
We've earned our expertise one deal at a time over the last 13 years. We've seen every stage of the cycle.
So the good news is we have your solution and your wait is over. At Far Below Market, we will find you investment deals that we stake our reputation on. We make it easy for you to be an expert.
Currently, we are only accepting cash buyers who are interested in owning California real estate cash flow properties. IRA accounts, Roth accounts, and 401k rollovers are all eligible and make great real estate investment vehicles. A lot of people don't know that they can use these accounts for real estate investment.
That's right.
Don't you owe it to yourself to take advantage of one of the best buying opportunities Southern California has ever seen?
So give us a call or shoot us an email for your own confidential, risk-free consultation. We'll help you evaluate your situation and show you how our Portfolio Select program will work for you.